Hi everyone, I'm Dirk Dusharme, Editor-in-Chief at Quality Digest, and we are here at the IMTS show in Chicago. Today we're at the Q-Mark manufacturing booth, and let me tell you, they've got a whole lot of goodies for all your machine tool needs. But the real stars of the show are these, Q-Mark's machine tool styli. And these aren't your average styli, these are designed to take a hit. Literally. See this ceramic shaft? It's built to break on impact. It's called a mechanical fuse, and in the event of an unexpected collision, it's the stylus that's going to break, not the probe head or the machine. And I know what you're thinking, self-destructing styli? That sounds pretty expensive. But Q-Mark styli are surprisingly affordable and way cheaper than replacing a damaged probe head. Those of you who have crashed a head, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Q-Mark styli come in a wide variety of sizes and configurations to fit any CMM machine. Plus, they're always guaranteed, manufactured right here in the USA, and available for next day delivery. If you need a stylus fast, Q-Mark's got you covered with their same-day styli service. Most orders received by noon Pacific time ship the very same day. So head over to their website, cmms.com, that's cmms.com, to see their full selection of more than 5,000 standard products, all available for next day delivery. And if you don't see what you want in the catalog, don't worry. Custom designs are always welcome. So if you're looking to add some peace of mind and safeguard your equipment during measurement, Q-Mark styli are definitely worth a look. So back to exploring IMTS for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Q-Mark coverage.